Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? OG Larry. I'm gonna check in with everybody during market hours because we got a lot of volatility and a lot of action in the market today. And want to touch up on the play that I gave you guys in my last video, NBIS. Let's see what that's doing, and then I'm gonna look and see what Cipher is doing in comparison. So it was as high as 16 a day. Cipher was, but NBIS was the play that I took. So let's get back to looking at NBIS because that was the hot one. That was the top watch. And it's doing really, really good today. If we look at that 1 hour chart, we're marching. We're marching. We're heading towards three white soldiers right here, marching to the upside, which my next price target to be 104.50. We get through 104.50, we might be able to get back to 108. So if you didn't catch this and you still want a chance to get in this, it's still a good stock and it still has a lot of room to grow over time and to be a potential long-term hold in your portfolio. Me personally, I'm trading it. I'll I took a stock option on it today. I think a 105 call, as you see right here, and I bought three contracts, and they're up. I'm up almost $200 on that. So if that runs, then I'll be making a little bit of money. We look at MU. That's hot today. I took this 435 call right here, as you'll see on the screen, and that's up almost $500. I got two contracts right there, and if you look at this 1 hour candle, which is what prompted me to get in when that started thumping. And now we got three white soldiers working on MU. So those were the two calls I took today, and my profits today is I went up. I'm up almost $2,700 just today. So these are just receipts on how the market can work in your favor if you do your due diligence, know your levels, and know what's going on. So we look at the SPY, which is going to take the temperature of the whole market pretty much, and we got out of this box. I had this box right here, which was the chop zone and the down zone. And once we broke out of this box pre-market, we broke out of this box pre-market today and leveled up. And it's been going up ever since. It's been as high as 688.96, trying to hit that 689 level. So we hit that 689, then hit 670 on SPY, going towards the SPX to going towards 6,900, over past 6,900, going towards hopefully 7,000 in the near term. Then the market will have put a bottom if in my opinion. So this is just a little touch, a little touch up, a little intraday update. I'm saying touch up, intraday update on what's going on. MU is strong. MU might run to 500 this year. So if you want a dollar cost average into a strong chip stock, MU's there. Nvidia's running back up today. Nvidia's up to 189. I've made $177 on Nvidia today. So the money's in the markets and the money's in these charts. And this is why I do this, and this is why I'm here every day. And sooner or later, it's going to catch on that I can help you navigate these markets, whether it's long term or short term. And the thing is I'm not trying to put no trash stocks on your radar. And some of the stocks might pull back. You might have downside in some of the stock, but eventually they recover and they turn into good, good stocks to have in your portfolio. So keep your eye on Netflix also. They got negotiations with Paramount, put their deal back on the table, and it's way down at like $77. Netflix is, but Netflix has a lot of room to recover and rebound. So if you look at it, look at this on the hourly, it has a lot of upwards momentum. So if it can continue, Netflix can get back to the upside. So Meta and Nvidia had a deal. Meta's been kind of chopping most of the day. It's been up to 641, 64, and now it's back down to 638. So keep that on your radar. I have a option in Meta that's as you see right there, it's February 27th. So I gave it some time. It's just down $45, but having given it some time, I'm not worried about it. That's what you want to do if you play options. You want to put yourself in the best possible position to weather any storms if they happen to come. So put BE on your radar. That seems to be moving up. I was in BE and sold out earlier. It's one of them that I'm wishing I had held. But the market was playing games, trying to pick a direction early, so I didn't want to get caught up and end up losing on any of these early momentum plays. I wanted to see them play out. So I'm gonna get on out of here. Just wanted to tap in before my next appointment and let you guys see that this market is it might have bottomed and we might be getting ready to hit to the upside. The spring is coming and get through this February, get through all that volatility, all that downward momentum, and get back to the upside. We got some positive signs. QQQ over 607 is a positive sign, and like I said, MU pumping, Nvidia pumping. So everything's looking good today after a rough past few sessions. So we're gonna take advantage of this. We're gonna make some money. I hope your portfolio is doing good. Hope you're getting out here in this risk on environment right now. Risk off might be over for a little while. So with that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace, guys.